So today I am going to be showing you guys this look right here. This is a chocolate fall makeup tutorial. I got chocolate dark brown lips and kind of like a ombre chocolate eye look, and I run you guys through my foundation and everything. So yeah, if you guys would like to see this video, please subscribe before you leave, and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my eyes. I'm going to start off by priming them. I'm going to use my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. So for this eyeshadow look, I'm going to use my Covergirl chocolate scented. This is the Chocoholic eyeshadow palette, and it's so pretty, and I absolutely love the smell of this. It smells like chocolate, and I absolutely love the smell of this. I'm going to use the cream color right here, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid with my Morphe JH30 brush, and this is just going to give us a base, for a smooth base for the eyeshadows to go on top of, and it'll give us a little bit more of that chocolate smell because we're using more of this eyeshadow. We're using a lot of chocolate scented products in this video. I just felt like it was very appropriate for this look. So then the first thing I'm going to start off by doing is I'm going to use my Wet n Wild crease brush, and you can get these at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use this is the Coastal Scents single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Kokomo Cafe, and it's just a very light brown color. I'm just going to take that on that brush and use that in my crease. I'm going to go back and forth between the Coastal Scents eyeshadows and the eyeshadows in the Covergirl palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use this light brown in this palette. So I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna also blend that in my crease as well with the same brush. I'm gonna go in with a little bit smaller of a brush, and I'm gonna take this Coastal Scents eyeshadow, and this one's in the shade Chocolatier. I know, really appropriate. And I'm gonna darken up this outer corner area and into the crease just a little bit more before we go into the darkest color. So then I'm gonna go in with the darkest color. I'm gonna use this really dark color in the Covergirl palette, and I'm gonna use this on my Morphe JH40 brush and just put that pack that in the outer corner of my eye and into the inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and this is just gonna give us a nice base for the other eyeshadows. So I'm gonna kind of do like an ombre effect on my eye. I'm gonna use this Morphe M421 brush, and I'm gonna use that light brown in this palette again, and I'm just gonna take some of that on the brush and press it just pack that on the like center of my lid right here. And then I'm going to take this Morphe JH42 brush, and I'm going to use Cloud White right here from Coastal Scents. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH41 brush, this dark brown again right here. Just like a nice gradual smoky eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this other Wet n Wild brush. It's a little bit smaller. It's like a flat brush, and I'm gonna use that cream color again. Use that on my brow bone just to clean everything up. Coffee. To my cheeks, I'm going to use my Revolution Bronze and Glow Highlight Duo. This is Bronze and Glow Duo palette thing. And I'm going to use this highlight is too dark for me, otherwise I would use it. But I'm going to use this contour color right here. And this sort of smells like chocolate, not as much as the others though. So I'm going to use my JH02 brush, Morphe JH02 brush, and I'm just going to bronze up my face with this. And it's just really pretty. I love the like gold and the chocolate. It's so nice. And then I'm going to use my Covergirl Chocoholic Contour Palette and this Morphe M423 brush. And I'm going to use the middle shade right here. And this is so pigmented. So I take a small dab of it and then I tap it off. And then go in and use it because it's so pigmented. I go in with my LA Colors Red Rouge blush. Like It's a nice red tone blush. So it's really good for this time of year, this like cold time of year. And then I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, I believe this is called. And I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to use my Morphe JH09 brush and just use this on the high points of my face. Give me a nice frosty highlight. So now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one's in the shade 70% Yumm, and these smell like so yummy. I can't even explain it. It doesn't smell like the Covergirl ones, but they're just so nice smelling. They smell like chocolate.